Looking to get some more rumble out of your WRX or STI? Vroom, vroom. These are the Magnaflow Axle Back exhausts. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got these beautiful Magnaflow Axle Back pieces specific for your 15 plus WRX and STI. Now these are going to be famously known as muffler deletes, and there's a good reason for that, is because they delete your factory mufflers. Now they are going to be a direct install, meaning you're going to take off your factory mufflers, bolt these ones in, use the gaskets that come with this. You might be able to reuse your factory gaskets, but I wouldn't, because these come with nice new shiny ones. You're going to reuse your factory hardware, and of course it does come with some sweet Magnaflow stickers as well as instructions, but honestly this is going to be very, very easy to install, so I wouldn't necessarily worry about the instructions. Now, why do you want this? Well, if you're looking to give your STI or WRX a little bit more rumble, a little bit more aggressiveness without waking up the neighbors or waking up the neighborhood, as you know with some exhausts, this is going to be the kit for you, because you still have the factory resonator, you still have, you know, basically the rest of the factory exhaust. This is just going to bring out a little bit of that rumble. Now this is 2-inch inner diameter piping, and of course you have these beautiful quad tips with dual wall stainless steel and a Magnaflow logo there right on the side, which I think is a nice little addition. But really these are just incredibly beautiful pieces, very well made. Everything's going to bolt up to your factory hanger locations. Like I said, installation is going to be a breeze, and you don't have to worry about, you know, emissions or anything like that, because this does not affect any emission components. It's just a nice, easy way to get, in my opinion, how the car should have sounded from the factory. That's what you're going to get with this, a nice OEM style rumble, with, again, without being too loud, without being too aggressive, plus these nice beautiful tips to really fill out that rear bumper on the WRX or STI. I think this is a fantastic product. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.